How to cancel Tinder Platinum subscription. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your Tinder Platinum subscription. So first of all you have to do is just open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the Tinder application in your device. And once you are done downloading the application in your device, the process of cancelling your Tinder Platinum subscription is quite easy. So first of all you have to do is just simply create your Tinder profile. And in order to cancel your Tinder Platinum subscription, you need to first have a Platinum subscription with your Tinder account. If you don't have it, you won't be able to cancel it. And after that, just simply open the account and just click on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. And from there, just click on the Manage Payment Account section. And as soon as you click on the Manage Payment Account section, you will be able to see the subscription that you have bought in your Tinder account. You just simply have to click on the Manage next to the subscription you want to cancel. For example, you have bought a 2-3 subscription. You just simply have to click on the one that you would want to cancel for now. And after that, just next to the cancel subscription option, just simply click on cancel. And in the confirmation box, just click on cancel subscription again, and your cancellation will be successful with your Tinder Platinum subscription option there. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel your Tinder Platinum subscription quite easily. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.